What up? What up, guys? El Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi, and the Automotive Game Changer Conference. We got not only my boy here, I've known him for 15 years, Antonio Centeno. So thank you so much for being here. He is the GM of Sarant Cadillac right now, okay, in Long Island. It's the #1 store in the country, right?
We're #1 in New York.
#1 in New York.
And in the Northeast.
Yes.
Working our way up to #1 in the country. That's why I'm here today, guys.
That's right.
So we can change the game.
Yes. What do you think so far?
Excellent. Honestly, the feedback, just walking around the room right now, everybody's like giving high fives to each other in between speakers.
Right.
And honestly, we're all here for the same reason, to change our lives and change what we're doing.
And this is what happened, right? A year ago, I came to this conference and something switched, and I said, listen, I got to do something different. The negativity part of it was a little bit of, what we went through, right?
Yes.
We worked together. We sold cars together, guys.
Yes,
in Toyota of the Bronx, okay?
100 years ago.
Exactly. So now we're both GMs, and we're doing different things. Obviously, he got a Cadillac store, I got a Mitsubishi store, but you can still do social media,
That's right.
right?
That's right.
Just with a Cadillac store and brand yourself and the guys, and this is what it's about. So I appreciate you being part of it, and I know Steve couldn't make it, he's in Peru, right?
Yes,
and
yes.
this is like our own little crew that we have, guys. But it's an honor to have you. I hope that you learn as much, and I saw you writing stuff, and that to me it's gratifying, right? Because that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to change somebody, at least say, hey, why am I not doing that?
Exactly, guys.
Because I did the same. You know what I'm saying?
That's why I'm here, guys. Not only am I a huge fan of El Patronn and Rudy, but friends since 2002, 2003.
Yes.
And we came up, in the trenches with each other.
Yeah, we did.
And we've been there. And now here we are, making big things happen.
Yes.
And I'm taking my store, being from the Florida retiree, Grandpa's old Cadillac, to the game-changing store that we can be and that we're going to be.
And anybody can do it, and I will be there to support you, man. Whatever you need,
Thank you, brother.
count me on. Absolutely. If I have to come in and give a rah-rah speech,
Let's
whatever,
do it.
It's all it takes.
We need it, man.
Yes, so thank you again for being here.
Thank you.
Guys, Antonio, follow him on social media, Antonio Centeno. I'm sure we'll come up with a name for him,
Yes, we
he's
will.
He's a well-liked guy. He's one of these guys, just, they love him. They love him. There's nothing not to love about this guy. So thanks again. And all right, guys, so check this out, automotivegatechange.com. And also, we're going to have all the content on my YouTube channel, El Patronn Show, as well. So make it happen, all right? Changing the event. We're changing lives, guys. Let's do it. Peace.